Ladies and gentlemen, we are working on the Volvo XC60 2012. We show in the part 1 the radiator was leaking, so we are changing the radiator. We put it on the ramp. On this case, we put it on the ramp, we couldn't get in. We removed the panel we explained before. Then what we do, we drain the coolant. There's a tap on the bomb. Yeah, you can turn it. I hope yours is working. There's a little hose, you can put a hose on it, but in this case my tap didn't work, so I had to just let the antifreeze go a little bit all over the place. So there's a hose here you remove. There's a hose on the top here. Oh sorry, before we get to that one, we got this trunk in here. It goes to the air dryer, air filter to the turbo. You just remove few clips, just tip it over like that. That's it. There's a little one intake from outside to the air dryer on the top. We remove this one here. When we remove that one, there's the plugs on the bomb on the left hand side. You remove these plugs. It's mounted on the fan, and this plug, that's a fan plug. 2 plugs. And then fan just clip out. It's so easy, just a little bit push outside, the radiator come up. On the bomb doesn't have that much, just sitting on the bomb. On the bomb got the clip too. This clip here, but it doesn't do anything, just the top one. You got 2 top one. You push it a little bit back, just a bit back. So there's a bolt, I think it's Torx 30 for the oil cooler, gearbox oil cooler is on the top. On the bomb you got 2 legs sitting on it. You just remove that one, push it one side. Little hose on the radiator here on the top, you push it that side, and then pull the fan out. Easy peasy. That's a fan. We remove the fan, and what we do after that, sorry, this is a clip for your hoses. This is how it look like. You just pull it out from here, from the hose. Then we go underneath. We go underneath. That bracket I showed you before, that's supporting bracket. There's 2 bolts here and 2 bolts the other side. When we drop this one, the radiator should come out with no problem. It's the first time I'm changing the radiator on these ones, so there is nothing engaging on that one. That's the support for radiator. So as soon as I remove that one, on the part 3 I'm going to explain. When I'm fitting the new one, I'm going to explain how does it work. But in this case it was easy. It was easy till find out, you know, that oil cooler, the little one on the side. So by removing that one, my fan could slide out because the legs was catching. These 2 legs was catching, so that one was a hard bit to remove it. So you just slide back like that, easy. Slide back. But remember this one, this little hose, coolant hose going towards engine, that's top of the fan. Just remove that one and you get the fan out. Be careful, don't break that one. So it's easy, you know. You can see the EGR, starter motor, alternator. The turbo is leaking a little bit. So as soon as we get the new radiator, I tell you how to fit it. It's just so easy to remove this 1 bolt here. Just 1 bolt, and you sit back. You got 2 legs. So if anything I miss, please let me know. Oh, just add it. Oh, the top mounting for the radiator is holding in place. These 2 I forgot. Just 1 hose, 1 screw here. That's it. You just go to the radiator, hold it in the place. That's it. It's not doing anything, just holding with his legs, just holding in the place. If you see here, that's it. It goes to that hole, just holding it in the place. There's one this side and one this side. Remove it is easier. You can drop it even if you don't remove it, but you know, line it up when you want to put the new radiator is a little bit difficult. Better you remove them. When you put the new radiator, it's easy to feed them back. Otherwise, when you push the new radiator up, maybe you break these legs. So anyway, it's the first time I'm doing it, so we are learning every day. So see part 3 when we remove the radiator and when we fit the new one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.